I'm sharing a veggie pizza omelet with you. These are the ingredients for the recipe. Let's start the recipe. Besan, maida, water, mix. Salt, haldi, long merch, coriander seeds, zira, kalongi, black pepper, eggs 5-6, mix the eggs well. To the pan. Put in eggs. Add vegetables on the top of the eggs. Sprinkle cheese. Now add egg again. Cook on low flame. Flip the omelet. Sprinkle cheese. Ready. Hope you like the recipe. Subscribe now.